Property owners will have an easier time removing squatters under a bill passed by the House. Sponsors of House Bill 10 say it strengthens the state's approach to squatting and provides property owners and law enforcement with clear instructions on how to deal with unlawful occupants.
House Bill 10 provides property owners the peace of mind that if someone unlawfully comes into their property and attempts to occupy it, property owners or their authorized agents may request law enforcement officers to immediately remove individuals unlawfully occupying their property under certain conditions. So additionally, the measure would provide law enforcement with clear guidelines to act swiftly in these situations, therefore protecting our frontline officers who are often in precarious positions.
What is the current procedure that is utilized by owners when they need to remove a squatter who has no colorable title, such as what's contemplated by this bill?
There is a gap in what we do in the legal profession on this particular context. It's not as clear. This adds clarity to it. So you can pursue adverse possession, you can pursue contract claims, you can pursue immediate possession or dispossess a tenant from possession when there's been a lease in place. But none of those things particularly fit this factual situation when there is in fact no claim, there is no colorable title, and this provides an avenue of recourse for those landlords that have property or owners that have property that have someone that just walk in, sit down, and make claim to possession.
I think we all agree that it's a problem for someone to take up on your property when they don't belong there. I think no one in this room would find a dispute there. I'm just not convinced that this is the right solution, especially since we just heard the gentleman from Todd list about 5 or 6 different legal actions that could be taken to remove such a person. So while I may be the odd person out today, I'll be opposed.
Having worked on this issue in courts before, I can tell you, under current law, it is more difficult to remove a squatter from illegal occupation of property than to remove someone who is a lawful tenant right now. This bill fixes that situation and ultimately protects property owners in Kentucky, so I'm extraordinarily thankful for it.
The bill also amends criminal statutes, allowing criminal mischief charges to be brought against squatters if they damage property.